Welcome to this Jim Thomas Gym Business Explainer. If you're a gym owner, operator, or entrepreneur looking to scale, you can access up to $500,000 in unsecured funding right now at fmconsulting.net. Today, we're diving into the core insights from Jim Thomas's white paper on building a profitable personal brand inside your facility. Look at the balance sheet of an average independent gym, and you will see a massive allocation of capital toward marketing the facility itself. Owners pour money into showcasing new equipment, premium lighting, and slick programming, but by focusing entirely on the physical space, they overlook the most powerful revenue-generating engine sitting right inside their business, the people who interact with the members every single day. It is a consistent reality of the fitness industry. Prospective members do not join gyms, they join people. This diagram maps out exactly what happens when a prospect walks through your doors. They see the treadmills, sure, but subconsciously, they are evaluating the staff member standing in front of them. They are asking, can I trust this person? Do they genuinely care about my goals? Do they actually know what they are talking about? When a staff member can answer those subconscious questions convincingly, they stop being an average salesperson pushing memberships. They evolve into a gym sales rockstar, someone who naturally attracts business through pure credibility. Jim Thomas breaks down this shift into a specific framework: the 6 pillars of becoming a gym sales rockstar. The first pillar requires owning your expertise. Many trainers and front desk staff actively downplay their sales role, saying things like, "I'm not a salesperson, I just help people." But if you actually believe your facility improves lives, then helping a prospect make the decision to join is an act of leadership. It is not a transactional sale. Selling and helping are the exact same thing. The second pillar is visibility. This structural floor plan illustrates the necessary shift. A high-performing professional cannot hide behind the perimeter of the front desk. They must step out and physically walk the main gym floor, actively greeting members and initiating conversations. Notice what happens at each of those intersection points on the floor. Every quick training tip or casual greeting directly increases familiarity. That familiarity builds trust, and every moment of trust increases the probability of a sale. If members don't know you, they simply won't buy from you. Combine that internal confidence in your expertise with a relentless physical presence on the floor, and you establish the baseline required to become a trusted local authority. Today, that authority has to extend beyond the physical walls of the building. Pillar 3 is building a digital personal brand, because prospects will research your staff online long before they ever set foot in the facility. This is your opportunity to intercept them with actual value. A strong digital footprint relies on specific, actionable content, posting quick workout tips, sharing client success stories, and offering myth-busting fitness advice that proves you know your stuff. Once they do walk in, Pillar 4 dictates that you act as the gym's dedicated problem solver. Instead of acting like a tour guide pointing out rows of ellipticals, a rockstar listens deeply and diagnoses the prospect's specific challenges, whether that is weight loss or low energy. Pillar 5 takes those solved problems and turns them into advocacy. Word-of-mouth marketing doesn't happen by accident. You engineer it by remembering members' names, checking in on their routines, and publicly celebrating their progress. When you intentionally solve a member's problem and make them feel seen, they transition from a passive gym-goer into a highly vocal, active marketing force that tells everyone they know to come talk to you. None of these strategies hold up if you only execute them on Mondays. Pillar 6 is consistency. Having one great interaction or one energetic shift is not enough to build a personal brand. Look at this growth curve. When you show up every single day with positive energy, genuine curiosity, and authenticity, the results compound over time. The daily actions sit on the x-axis, driving the massive spike in reputation and revenue on the y-axis. Relentless consistency is the binding agent. It elevates a staff member from a temporary helper on the floor into the first person local prospects ask for by name. Developing staff into trusted authorities yields measurable operational results. Sales become predictable, member retention cycles stabilize, and personal training revenue climbs through natural referrals. In this model, the team functions as a marketing asset that appreciates over time, generating more value than a standard payroll line item could ever provide on its own. The gym industry is facing intense pressure from digital apps, online coaching, and convenient home workout systems. Consumers have never had more options. In an increasingly digital landscape, consumers will choose to drive to a physical gym for one reason: human connection. They show up for trust, and they stay for real relationships. The next generation of fitness industry growth will not belong to the loudest or most aggressive salespeople. It belongs entirely to the most trusted professionals. To start building your team of rockstars or to explore financing and consulting opportunities, contact gym business expert Jim Thomas directly at 214-629-7223 or email jthomas@fmconsulting.net. This video is powered by maxmembers.ai and sponsored by gymbusinessmanager.com.